Hi guys, this is a video update. I'm going to show you how to use Wall Street Radar. First, you can go to beawallstreetradar.com, and we are the leading vendor of this wonderful software, which is the best stock market simulation game of the world, and it's the best stock market simulation game of all times. Wall Street Radar is very easy to use now in its version 6.5. And let's see a bit of this. Is the trading desk, so you click on new game and you type your name here. Let's say you are Gordon Gecko. Click on OK and you start. This has a very sophisticated and complex economic simulation, and it will create a scenario so you can play it and the game will start. You have here the stock ticker running, you have all the options here. You can create a company, you can analyze the economy, you can read all the projections and statistics about the current scenario. The scenario will change anytime you run it. We create new tax rates, new interest rates, and it's wonderful. It's very complete, and it's what you need to do if you want to learn a lot about how to trade the stock market. We create companies, and you can buy, sell companies. You can buy stocks, sell stock short, buy corporate bonds, sell corporate bonds. You can buy options and sell options, and you can also trade commodities using leverage. You can really learn how to trade commodities using this safe environment, which is very interesting. Also, you can manage companies, elect you as a CEO, create companies, and you can also close companies. You can create, let's create a startup, new corp here, and you select the industry for your startup. Let's say banking, and we create a bank. And that will create my company. Click no, and I have successfully created my bank, which I click here in my corporations. Now my bank is running, so I can elect me as CEO of my bank, change the managers, set dividend payout. Remember to keep the dividends low until the company grows up. Or you can create a productivity spending that it's the amount of income you will spend annually on marketing and advertising. Let's raise it to 10%. You can spread rumors about other companies. It's very good to manipulation of the markets, or to manipulate the stock really. You can call in, you can freeze loans to companies, you can get finance, you can launch your first IPO, you can launch a private stock offering, issue bonds, buy back bonds, launch extraordinary dividends payments. You can liquidate the company, tax-free liquidation or spin-off subsidiary. It's amazing. I have never seen other stock simulation game more complete than Wall Street Radar. You can be a Wall Street Radar with this simulation game, which is very complete. You can start doing some research, clicking on the company. Let's say I click here IBM, and I can read the information about this entity, clicking here entity info. I can read the research report, the analyst recommendations. This will be created every time you run the game. a new scenario for all the companies, with thousands of companies will be created under a new simulated economy. You can click here on financial profile and read the balance sheet of this company, the financial ratios, and you can see the list of shareholders, credit info, it's AAA company, the industry projection. You can see how is their peers performing in this simulated economy, and you can see the price to net worth, and so you can take financial decisions if you are going to acquire other companies, if you are going to take over other companies, or if you are running your company as you should. It's also very interesting to check here on general and see the industrial growth rates, when you can see which are the leading industry groups and where you can allocate your capital if you are going to create new companies and new startup companies. When you click here in general, you will see here a brief description of the economy and the monetary policy status, which is now tightening for this particular scenario, and you can see the industry outlook for this specific industry. You can see more about the economy statistics, the current other tax rates, who's ahead. If you are competing with a computer, you can keep tracking what is the computer asset and net worth, and the summary of player. You can play by turns with friends, and you can see the stocks charts if you want, if you are more a technical analyst. And as you see, you can stock split. If you want to lower your stock price, you can make stock split and reverse split and change the name. Earning reports, you can see all the earning reports, and the financial news headlines will be streamed here. As you see, this is the most complete stock market simulation game of all times, and you can try it for free if you go to beawallstreetrader.com and go to try it. Yes, and you can access the shareware version, or you can buy here the full version for only $19.95. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and remember, you can be a Wall Street Trader now at beawallstreetrader.com. Thank you.